Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Important words sentences, class 9th new book 2025 chapter number 6 के important word sentences करेंगे. The value of time, very easy and very short. The value of time. Cherished, Aziz, I cherished my friendship. Elucidate, वजाहत करना, she will elucidate the plan. Gratification, तस्कीन, फरहत, खुशी. Winning, give me gratification. Intrigued, दिलचस्पी दिखाई देना. The puzzle intrigued me. Methodically, तरतीब से, बाकायदगी से. He works methodically every day. Perpetually, दायमी. She perpetually asks questions. Prioritizing, तरजीह देना. Prioritizing task is important. Reliable, काबिल एतमाद. He is a reliable friend. Significant, अहम. This discovery is significant. Chapter number 7, important word sentences, very easy and very short. Imposters, दगाबाज. These and imposters. Knave, बदमाश. The knave cheated me. Sinew, rug. The sinew was pulled. Stooped, झुकना. Don't stoop to their level. Triumph, कामयाबी. She achieved a great triumph. Virtue, नेकी. Honesty is a virtue. Class chapter 8, appreciate, तारीफ करना, कदर करना. I appreciate your help. Communication, मवासलात, गुफ्तगू. We need better communications. Complexities, life has many complexities. Crucials, अहम. This is a crucial moment. Economy, मशिया. The country's economy is growing. Empathy, हमदर्दी. We need more empathy in the world. Erosion, preventing erosion is crucial. Globalization, आलमी कारी. Globalization connects economic worldwide. Harness, जोड़ना. We harness technology for progress. Homogenization, समाकी. Homogenization reduces differences. Integration, यकजहती. Integration improves teamwork. Interconnected, बाहम मरबूत. The world is increasingly interconnected. Misinformation, गलत मालूमात. Misinformation spreads quickly online. Opportunities, मौके. Education creates opportunities. Preserve, महफूज रखना. We preserve food. Technology improves our lives. Trade, tijarat. They trade goods at the market. Tradition, rewayat. Family traditions are meaningful. Wakes, ujrat. The wakes are reasonable. Chapter number 9, bedrock, bunyad. Cohesion, hum aagi. Principles are the bedrock of success. Team cohesion is vital. Conflict, तसादुम. Conflict resolution is key. Crucial, अहम. Time management is crucial. Curiosity, तजस्सुस. Curiosity drives learning. Emphasis, ताकीद. Emphasis on quality matters. Enhance, बेहतर बनाना. Training will enhance skills. Equip, मुहैया करना. Equip yourself with knowledge. Essential, ज़रूरी. Water is essential for life. Formidable, ज़बरदस्त. The team skills are formidable. Holistic, जामिया. Holistic approach improve well-being. Inclusive, जामियत. Inclusive policies promote equality. Literacy, ख्वांदगी. Literacy empowers individual. Pedagogical, तालीमी तरीक़ाकार. Pedagogical skills are essential. Prosperity, खुशहाली. Prosperity depends on hard work. Important word sentences, chapter number 10. Agility, chusti. The athlete showed great agility. Conservation, ecosystem. कुदरती माहौलियाती निज़ाम का तहफ़्फ़ुज़. We need to protect our ecosystem. Elusive, मुश्किल दस्तयाबी. The answer is elusive. Herbivores, नबातात खोर. Cows are herbivores. Heritage, वर्सा. This is our cultural heritage. Magnificent, शानदार. The view is magnificent. Predator, शिकारी. Lions are predators. Preserve, महफूज रखना. We preserve nature. Ripple, लहर. The stone made in a ripple in the water. Rudged, नाहमवार. The road is rudged. Vulnerable, कमज़ोर. The child is vulnerable. Bureau, desk. Chapter number 11. Bureau desk. I have a bureau in my room. Gallivanting. Lutfandozi karna. She loves gallivanting around the city. Hearth. Chimney ka first. The hearth is warm and cozy. Impassive. Betasur. He remained impassive during the meeting. Malicious. Nuksan. The malicious comment hurt her feeling. Piquet naraz. I was piqued by his rude behavior. Precocious Zerig. He was a precocious student who graduated early. Shabby khasta hal. The shabby furniture needs to be replaced. Speck mamuli dabba. There is a speck of dust on the lens. Stupefied Heran. I was stupefied by the news.